And Tehseen Poonawalla, you come from a liberal ecosystem, you support the Congress party. Rahul Gandhi says we should be liberal, democracy is under threat under the BJP. What happens in Karnataka? Hitler has been a name given to Modi ad nauseum. Every morning they get up and call him Tanashah, Hitler. अब आपको इस बात से गम हो गया कि भाई इंदिरा जी को हिटलर क्यों कह दिया? Oh my God, such a thin skin, and you can't really accept even a meme that liberal. So much freedom of speech in Congress party's Karnataka. Tehseen Poonawalla.
Thank you, Navika ji, for having me on the show. Srimati Indira Gandhi ji, who's a martyr for our country, and I'm sure you believe she's a martyr for our country,
yes,
is no longer between us. But sure, it shows the values of the political party to mock a martyr and to call a martyr names of one of the most hated men. You can have political differences amongst people today, and I don't support what is said about the Prime Minister. I've said that very openly on your show. But this kind of business, and then to play victims, you know, ma'am, people have credit card, debit card. The present government only has a victim card, the BJP. I am not on your show going to take one lecture from the BJP that put students in jail. I am not going to take lecture from the BJP that's thrown your colleagues and journalists in jail. And when you were in Times of India, they put sedition charges in Gujarat on Times of India correspondents. I am not going to take lectures from the BJP that put activists in jail. I am not going to take any lecture from the BJP that has repeatedly violated all bases of democracy and decency. In fact, in the interview to you, the most honorable Prime Minister said opposition leaders were in jail during the period of Srimati Indira Gandhi ji, who was a martyr for our country. Today, every person who goes to jail is from the opposition politically. Nobody from the BJP goes to jail. So and when they come to the BJP, all charges go.
I'm not understanding Tehseen Poonawalla. I'm not understanding if any journalist is unnecessarily put in jail. I am with you. I'm with you because I as a journalist of 3.5 decades almost, actually stand here and say that anybody who targets journalists is a fascist.
Doctors were put in jail. Doctors
but I want to ask you,
were put in jail by this government.
Is it not a fact that emergency was imposed? Is it not a fact that newspapers at that time were censored by government officials who were sent? And if emergency's golden jubilee is being reminded to the newer generations, and Indira Gandhi in a meme has been likened to Hitler, you are saying you will start filing FIRs? Really? And then you will ask questions to the BJP by doing exactly what they do?
May I quickly answer two aspects you've led. The FIR, nobody is being arrested. The court, the laws will take it.
How decent of you! How decent of you that you have not arrested anybody. Oh my God! We should only start talking. We should only start talking when somebody gets arrested.
I will defend
Sorry, galti ho gayi. My baap, galti ho gayi. Anand Ranganathan. Tehseen Poonawalla ji is saying that FIR is not reason enough for us to be outraged. Somebody should have been arrested, only then we should have outraged.
No, I'm saying in
so
Congress
freedom of
nobody
speech.
gets
Now
arrested.
come on,
Nobody gets arrested.
Tehseen Poonawalla.
Nobody gets
arrested.
arrested.
Hold on. Anand Ranganathan, logic is something I have not understood. If you can spot the logic, please go ahead.
Tehseen has displayed the same logic today, unfortunately, as Rahul Gandhi. But be that as it may, good evening to you and the fellow panelists. So according to Tehseen, you can intimidate anyone as much as you want. You can file 100 FIRs. But that doesn't constitute stomping on freedom of speech and expression because you haven't physically arrested. क्या चल रहा है यहाँ पे Tehseen? I didn't expect this from you. But by the way, Navika, this is also true. If Narendra Modi took a rupee every time he was abused, slandered, vilified and maligned by the Congress, honestly, he'd be a billionaire by now. He has been called नीच, नाली का कीड़ा, Hitler, mass murderer, खून की खेती करने वाला, यमराज, पागल कुत्ता, बंदर, भस्मासुर. His mother and father have been dragged in and insulted. Remember Congress Imran Masood, who threatened to chop Modi in pieces, boti. He's back in Congress. Remember Congress leader Nilai Kannan lamenting why Modi and Shah have not yet been killed. Navika, I'll tell you this. It is ironical that the Congress keeps shouting we are living under an emergency. This present Congress government in Karnataka is the one that has declared emergency. You don't trust me? Just hear me out for 1 minute. Remember BJP worker Shakuntala was arrested for a social media post criticizing Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. Remember teacher Shantala Murthy was suspended for his Facebook post criticizing the Congress freebie schemes. Remember the notice to lecturer Huli Kanti for his social media post. Remember the FIR against DD News anchors Prakhar and Ashok Srivastava that was recently stayed by none other than the Karnataka High Court. Remember the Karnataka police travelling 1,000 miles to arrest YouTuber Ajit Bharti for his harmless comment on Rahul Gandhi. Remember the arrest of Vineet Nayak from Goa by Karnataka police for his criticism of the Congress manifesto. Remember the banning of the film Hamare Bara because it offended the Muslim community. Remember the Karnataka Congress Minister Shivraj saying he will not allow any of Kamal Hassan's movies to be released in Karnataka unless he apologizes. Remember the proposed draconian and outrageous misinformation bill that has deliberately vague clauses that can be used to arrest anyone who says anything considered inconvenient. And this is just Karnataka. I haven't even come to the Congress ruled Telangana where the sitting chief minister threatens to strip journalists in the streets. And these are the people who are saying Modi has declared emergency. Arey kuch to sharam kar lo, kuch to sharam kar lo.